But I'd love to hear from each of you a bit more just about your journey and find out why vocal and speech emotion. What is it about this corner scientifically that excites you and why you're here and involved with this workshop and challenges?
I can go because I want to reflect on something that Alan said. So he mentioned that vocal bursts were like intercultural, but it's also like intergenerational. And this is something that actually is the reason why I'm here, because I originally got contacted by the NFB, which is like National Film Board of Canada, because they were basically producing an artistic project for a artist who wanted to do a project around laughter. And the original inspiration of this project by this artist, which is Etienne Paquette, by the way, is the way he managed to communicate with his grandma, I think it was. Yes, with his grandma. So his grandma is deaf. And so he has a hard time to communicate with this person in a verbal way. But he was telling us this story that was so touching about the way that through laughter, they were able to basically when they were together, they were laughing all the time. And it was even when I'm talking about it, like it does me something. Like they managed to exchange, like emotions and feelings. And, I don't know, there is something very interesting in this aspect that this is in some sense universal. Like this vocal burst has something that is universal across ages, across culture. And this is in some sense it's one of the pieces that connects all of us. I think it's so inspiring to me. And so I had this like wonderful opportunity to kind of contribute within an artistic project and, be able to, for me, I'm a scientist. Most of the thing I do, I write a research paper on like 10% in the world, read them. For once, I could do something. I could tell my parents, you can go, it's safe, you will understand. And, it means something to me to be able to like have this reach. That's how I got into this journey.
You want to talk about universal? Everybody just wants to do something they could show mom and dad and have them be proud.
Yeah, that's
amazing. Thank you for sharing that.